This is a lesson on using Windows Command Prompt. I'm currently using my Windows 10. So in order to launch Command Prompt, what you do is you're going to go ahead and type in CMD in search, and you will see the desktop application appear as a search result at the top. You will click on it. And notice that in my command prompt, I have a default path. This is my C drive. Inside the C drive, that will be the users folder, and I'm logged on as this user account inside the user folder. So by default, the files will be placed in C drive inside the users folder inside your user account. Now, you can navigate through command prompt by using some of the common commands. And if you don't know the common commands, what you do is you start out with by inputting help. This will give you a list of various common commands. So today we will be using some of the common commands to create files and folder. So here, back to our default path, what we'll do is we are going to use a command called change directory. And change directory allows you to move from your default path into a different folder. So let's say I want to go into my desktop, and I can do CD desktop. Press enter. So as you can notice here, you would see that now desktop is added to our path. And inside the desktop, what we can do is we can make a folder called homework. So to make a folder, we will do mkdir for make directory, homework. And we won't be inside the homework folder unless we change the directory, just like what we did with the desktop. So we will issue a command called cd change directory, homework. So now once we're inside the homework folder, what we'll do is we will go ahead and create a file. We will go ahead and make a file by using the echo command. So echo allows you to input the file inside your current directory along with appending the text to this file. So we can do echo, this is my first file. And we'll point it to a file name by using the arrow key, file1.txt. Press enter. We can try making also a second file, but using a different file type. Echo, this is my second file, pointing to file2.doc. That's going to be using my Microsoft Word application to create this file. Now let's see if these two files exist inside the command prompt. We'll go ahead and put in dir to look at our folder content or directory. Press enter, and as you can see, I have file 1 and file 2. Now to verify that, what you can do is you can minimize this. Go into your file manager and go ahead and click on desktop, and we will go ahead and find our homework folder. And here we are, we have file 1 and file 2. Go ahead and open file 1. It shows this is my first file, and we'll go ahead and open file 2. Microsoft Word will launch, and it shows this is my second file. So we can go ahead and close this. Now command prompt is very useful in troubleshooting and configuring system. So if you have a network connectivity issue, or if you have some kind of Windows halt issues and you want to check on your processes, you can also do that. So you can also input the task list command. This will allow you to look at all your tasks inside your Windows, and this help you troubleshoot, especially if you have a system that's halting, possibly something that's using a lot of resources, and On the right side, you would see the RAM utilization here. On the left, it will list the executable, which Windows use as a task processing execution type of file. So now you can also look at the network configurations and troubleshooting network by using command prompt. For example, if I'm using IP configuration, ipconfigs /all, right? This gives me all the configurations for my networking. If you look right here, I'm connecting through the wireless network because I'm on this laptop. I'm on the home network. It shows me that I have the HTTP enabled. That means there's a service that's leasing IP address to my system. This is my physical address for my computer. This is a permanent address to the wireless card that I'm using. This is my version 4 IP address, and different type of configuration that will correlate to the network. So command prompt will also be useful to troubleshoot network along with system issues or setting system configuration. And as you can see with our example, we actually use command prompt to create directory and files. As a technician, sometimes you would use that to create a certain type of text file or batch files for automations and different things. So this ends my lesson on command prompt. Please continue to watch my future video, and if you have any questions, please send me email to kgnguyen@collegeofthedesert.edu. Thank you.